Have you ever noticed that no matter how diligent you are with your skincare routine, your skin still seems to lose its firmness, elasticity, or that youthful glow? You might be faithfully applying castor oil, renowned for its moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties, yet the results often feel underwhelming. What if I told you that castor oil alone is not enough, and that pairing it with one specific oil can actually supercharge collagen production, smooth aging skin, and give your skin the resilience it craves? Here's why this matters. Collagen is the structural protein that holds your skin, joints, and connective tissue together. As early as your 20s, collagen production begins to decline, dropping by 1 to 2% per year. By the time we reach our 50 seconds and 60 seconds, the cumulative loss contributes not just to wrinkles, but to weaker joints, slower tissue repair, and an overall slowdown in recovery. This is not just cosmetic. It impacts movement, posture, and even confidence. What's fascinating is what's happening at the cellular level. Your skin's fibroblasts are the engines of collagen synthesis, and their efficiency is influenced by nutrient availability, antioxidant activity, and the lipid environment of your skin. Research shows that certain oils contain compounds that actively stimulate fibroblast activity, reduce oxidative stress, and improve nutrient absorption directly through the skin. Castor oil has excellent penetration and anti-inflammatory effects, but it lacks the specific fatty acids and polyphenols that amplify collagen signaling. Collagen is the foundational protein that gives your skin its structure, elasticity, and resilience. Think of it as the scaffolding that holds everything in place. Your skin, your connective tissue, even your joints rely on it. When collagen production slows, the scaffolding weakens, leading to sagging skin, fine lines, and slower tissue repair. What's striking is how early this process begins. Studies show that by the age of 25, collagen synthesis starts to decline gradually. And by the time most people reach 50, they may have lost up to 30% of their skin collagen. Here's what the research shows. Fibroblasts, the cells responsible for producing collagen, are highly sensitive to their environment. They respond not only to nutrients and growth factors, but also to oxidative stress, inflammation, and the types of lipids present in the surrounding tissue. For example, a study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found that oxidative damage from free radicals directly reduces fibroblast activity, which in turn diminishes collagen production. This means that protecting your cells from oxidative stress is as critical as stimulating collagen synthesis itself. Have you noticed how your skin loses that plump, youthful feel after periods of stress, poor sleep, or suboptimal nutrition? This is precisely what is happening at the cellular level. Your fibroblasts slow down and your skin scaffolding becomes less robust. But here's the empowering part. Collagen decline is not entirely inevitable. There are specific science-backed interventions, both topical and systemic, that can slow, stabilize, and even partially reverse this process. One simple tool to understand is the principle of collagen signaling. Think of it like a dimmer switch rather than an on-off button. The goal is to create an environment where fibroblasts receive the biochemical signals and nutrients they need to operate at a higher efficiency. This includes adequate vitamin C for collagen cross-linking, antioxidants to reduce oxidative stress, and lipids that optimize cell membrane function. Even subtle changes, such as pairing the right oils on your skin or supporting your body with targeted nutrients, can improve fibroblast performance and over time restore resilience and elasticity. In essence, knowing how collagen works, why it declines, and how your cells respond to their environment gives you the power to intervene intelligently. By the end of this talk, you will not only know which oil pairing accelerates collagen production, but also how to create the optimal internal and external environment to support long-term skin health. Castor oil has earned its reputation in skincare because of its unique ability to penetrate deep into the skin, providing hydration and anti-inflammatory benefits. It contains ricinoleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid that not only moisturizes but also supports barrier function. Yet, despite these properties, castor oil alone is limited when it comes to stimulating collagen synthesis. Why? Because the biochemical signals needed to actively activate fibroblasts and promote new collagen formation are largely absent in castor oil. Here's what the research shows. Fibroblasts respond best to a combination of hydration, specific fatty acids, and polyphenolic compounds that reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. While castor oil excels at moisturizing, it lacks the antioxidants and certain essential fatty acids that are critical for signaling fibroblasts to ramp up collagen production. A study in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences highlights that topical antioxidants, such as those found in plant oils rich in polyphenols, can significantly enhance collagen synthesis when applied alongside a carrier oil. Think of castor oil as a well-built delivery truck. It can reach deep into the skin, but it needs the right cargo to make the journey meaningful. Without the right cargo, the fibroblasts don't receive the biochemical instructions to repair and rebuild. This is why simply applying castor oil may leave your skin moisturized but won't fully address the structural decline that comes with aging. A simple tool to apply is to pair castor oil with an oil that is rich in polyphenols and essential fatty acids. This combination ensures hydration, antioxidant protection, and fibroblast stimulation all at once. When applied consistently, this synergy can enhance collagen production more effectively than either oil alone. Here's an empowering question. Have you ever noticed that even your best moisturizers sometimes leave your skin looking tired or crepey? This is the precise reason. The fibroblasts are not being activated. The cellular environment isn't optimized. By understanding these limitations, you gain the ability to choose not just oils that feel good on the skin, but oils that truly communicate with your cells. The concept of oil synergy is simple in principle, but powerful in practice. When two or more oils are combined, their chemical components interact in ways that enhance absorption, amplify antioxidant delivery, and activate cellular pathways more effectively than when used alone. In the context of skin health, this means we can create a topical environment that optimally stimulates fibroblasts, supports collagen synthesis, and protects against oxidative damage. Here's what the research shows. A study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Science found that combining oils rich in monounsaturated fatty acids with oils high in polyphenols significantly increased collagen gene expression in fibroblasts. In other words, the fibroblasts heard the biochemical signals more clearly and produced more structural protein as a result. This is the science behind why mixing castor oil with another targeted oil can be far more effective than using either one individually. To put it in practical terms, think of your skin as a garden. Castor oil alone is like watering the soil. It provides essential moisture, which is critical, but it does not deliver the nutrients that make the plants thrive. Adding the right oil is like introducing fertilizer rich in antioxidants and essential fatty acids. Together, water and nutrients create a microenvironment where growth is optimized. Your fibroblasts respond to this enriched environment by producing more collagen, smoothing wrinkles, and improving elasticity. A simple framework to use is this. One oil acts as the carrier, enhancing penetration and hydration, while the second oil provides the biochemical signal for collagen activation. Timing and consistent application are critical here. Applying the blend nightly allows the skin's natural repair processes, which peak during sleep, to work in tandem with the oil's effects. Have you noticed how some skincare routines feel active while others just feel superficial? This is the difference between synergy and isolation. The right pairing engages your cellular machinery, while isolated oils mostly hydrate without activating deeper repair mechanisms. After understanding why castor oil alone is limited and how oil synergy works, the next question is simple. Which oil should you pair it with to maximize collagen production and skin resilience? The answer, supported by research, is rose hip oil. Rose hip oil is rich in essential fatty acids, linoleic and alpha-linolenic acids, and packed with antioxidants, particularly vitamin C, carotenoids, and polyphenols. This combination is precisely what fibroblasts need to accelerate collagen synthesis. Studies in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology and Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine have shown that topical rose hip oil can improve skin elasticity, reduce fine lines, and enhance overall skin texture by stimulating collagen production at the cellular level. Here's what's happening in your skin when you combine castor oil with rose hip oil. The castor oil penetrates deeply, creating hydration and opening the lipid pathways in the skin, while the rose hip oil delivers antioxidants and essential fatty acids directly to fibroblasts. This dual approach both protects the cells from oxidative stress and signals them to ramp up collagen production, essentially telling your skin, repair now, strengthen now. Think of it as a team sport. Castor oil provides a supportive infrastructure, like a reliable teammate, ensuring the game runs smoothly. Rose hip oil is the playmaker, initiating the actions that directly build and restore structure. Together, they achieve far more than either could alone. A simple tool to apply is a 2-1 ratio, 2 parts castor oil to 1 part rose hip oil. Gently massage the mixture into your skin at night, focusing on areas where collagen loss is most visible, such as around the eyes, mouth, and jawline. Consistency is key. Nightly application leverages the skin's natural nocturnal repair processes. Ask yourself, have you been applying oils with intention or simply for hydration? The difference lies in understanding the science behind your choice. By pairing castor and rose hip oils, you are not just moisturizing, you are actively signaling your skin to rebuild and strengthen itself, creating smoother, firmer, and more resilient tissue over time. Knowing which oils to use is only half the equation. How you apply them, the timing, technique, and consistency is what transforms a simple skincare routine into a powerful tool for collagen stimulation and smoother, resilient skin. First, consider timing. The skin has a natural repair cycle that peaks during sleep, particularly during deep sleep phases. Research in chronobiology shows that fibroblast activity and collagen synthesis are significantly higher at night. Applying the castor and rose hip oil blend before bed allows these cellular processes to align with your body's natural rhythms, enhancing absorption and repair. Next is technique. A simple but effective approach is gentle circular massage. Apply a few drops of the 2-to-1 castor to rose hip oil mixture to your fingertips, warm it slightly, and massage it into areas prone to collagen loss around the eyes, cheeks, and jawline. This technique not only ensures better penetration, but also stimulates local blood flow, bringing nutrients and oxygen to the fibroblasts. Think of it as giving your skin both the tools and the instruction to rebuild itself. Consistency is critical. While occasional application may provide temporary hydration, long-term improvements in collagen and elasticity require daily practice. A simple behavioral tool is to link the oil application to an existing nighttime habit, like brushing your teeth or reading before bed. By attaching the new action to an established routine, you reinforce consistency without extra cognitive effort. Another tip, supported by research, is to layer the oils over slightly damp skin. Studies show that applying oils to damp tissue improves absorption and helps lock in moisture, which further supports fibroblast function. Combine this with a sleep environment that minimizes oxidative stress, dim lighting, cool temperature, and minimal electronic exposure to maximize the skin's natural repair processes. Ask yourself, are your nightly routines aligned with why? Our body's natural rhythms, or are they purely habitual? When you apply this simple oil blend with intention, timing, and technique, you are effectively communicating with your cells, guiding them to build stronger collagen networks and restore youthful elasticity. This is a low-effort, high-impact tool you can implement tonight, one that leverages both the science of oil synergy and the natural biology of your skin. Topical oils like castor and rose hip can do wonders for collagen, but true skin resilience requires a holistic approach. Your lifestyle and nutrition play a critical role in determining how effectively your fibroblasts function and how robust your collagen networks become. Let's start with nutrition. Collagen synthesis relies on specific amino acids, primarily proline, glycine, and hydroxyproline. Consuming protein-rich foods such as lean meats, fish, eggs, and legumes ensures your body has the building blocks needed for collagen formation. Vitamin C is another cornerstone. It acts as a cofactor in collagen cross-linking, the process that stabilizes and strengthens the fibers. Studies show that diets high in vitamin C-rich foods like citrus fruits, bell peppers, and berries significantly enhance skin elasticity and reduce wrinkle formation. Antioxidants matter too. Free radicals from UV exposure, pollution, or even internal metabolic processes degrade collagen. Incorporating antioxidant-rich foods, dark leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and colorful fruits helps neutralize these radicals, protecting existing collagen and supporting new synthesis. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish or flax seeds, reduce inflammation and improve skin hydration, creating a supportive environment for fibroblasts to thrive. Lifestyle factors are equally impactful. Sleep is perhaps the most underrated tool for collagen preservation. Deep sleep stages coincide with peak fibroblast activity and tissue repair. Aim for consistent, high-quality sleep and consider reducing exposure to blue light or caffeine close to bedtime to optimize these repair processes. Exercise also contributes not just to overall health, but to skin integrity. Resistance training and cardiovascular activity enhance circulation, delivering nutrients to the skin and stimulating growth factors that support collagen formation. Here's an actionable framework. Pair nightly application of your castor and rose hip oil. Blend with a diet rich in protein, vitamin C, and antioxidants. Maintain consistent sleep and engage in regular physical activity. This trifecta, topical stimulation, nutritional support, and lifestyle optimization, creates an internal and external environment where collagen thrives and your skin appears smoother, firmer, and healthier over time. Ask yourself, are your daily habits actively supporting your skin's biology, or are they simply maintenance? By intentionally aligning nutrition, sleep, exercise, and topical care, you give your fibroblasts the tools they need to perform optimally. This is not just skincare, it is cellular empowerment that translates into visible, long-lasting results. Over the course of this talk, we've explored why simply applying castor oil is not enough, and how pairing it with the right oil can transform your skin from within. Collagen, the structural protein that gives your skin firmness and resilience, declines naturally with age, but understanding the underlying biology gives you the power to intervene intelligently. By creating an environment that supports fibroblast activity, you can stimulate collagen synthesis, protect against oxidative stress, and restore elasticity over time. The key scientific insights we've covered are clear. First, collagen is the foundation of youthful, healthy skin, and its decline affects not just appearance, but tissue repair and overall function. Second, castor oil alone, while hydrating and anti-inflammatory, lacks the specific compounds needed to actively stimulate collagen production. Third, oil synergy. Combining castor with a polyphenol-rich, essential fatty acid-dense oil like rosehip delivers hydration, antioxidant protection, and fibroblast activation simultaneously. Fourth, correct application techniques, timing, and consistency maximize absorption and align with the skin's natural repair cycles. And finally, lifestyle and nutrition, from protein and vitamin C intake to quality sleep and exercise, provide the internal scaffolding that allows topical interventions to work at their best. Here's the practical takeaway tonight. You can implement a small but powerful change. Mix 2 parts castor oil with 1 part rose hip oil. Gently massage it into your skin before bed and pair this ritual with sleep, a nutrient-rich diet, and regular movement. Over time, this simple, science-backed protocol strengthens your skin, enhances collagen production, and helps you age more smoothly and resiliently. Consider this a challenge tonight. Apply the oil blend with intention, and over the next week, observe how your skin responds. Pair it with 1 small nutritional or lifestyle tweak. Whether adding a vitamin C-rich fruit or ensuring 7 to 8 hours of sleep, small, consistent actions compound into visible results. And by engaging with your skin and body at the cellular level, you are actively shaping your health and appearance for the long term. If you found this guidance valuable, like this video, comment with your experiences or questions, and subscribe to join a community dedicated to science-driven, practical strategies for mind, body, and skin optimization. Your next level of skin resilience starts with a single intentional action.